going to ask questions and I want you to answer only in your head.
Okay.
Tao ba to? Bagay? Pagkain? Magaling. I'll go with tao. Nakikita ba siya dito? Kilala mo ba to? Are you thinking of a specific name? Pag nakita ba nila to, magbibigay ba ng intriga to? Para medyo may thrill ng konti, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung sinulat ko. Huwag niyong babasahin ng malakas. Okay? Now, Miss Sharon, loud and clear para makinig ang ganito sa likod. Sino yung nasa isip mo?
Gabby!
Thank you very much. Good job, good job.
Okay, thank you very much,
Thank you very much.
Justin.
Thank you very much.
Such a pleasure. That was fun. Thank you.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
Wow! Di ko akalain, ah.